Okay, for 40, clearly they want us to use substitution. So let's look at what happened. The second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 43. And this first equation is y equals 6x minus 1. So what we're going to do, right, we're going to say that wherever we see a y, we can replace it with a 6x minus 1. So right here, I'm going to replace that with the right-hand side of that equation, 6x minus 1. So that would give me 3x plus 2, and then 6x minus 1, right, for the y, equals 43. So this would be the way you would substitute in. And that is the way, let's see, which one did it that way? Katie, right here, right? Katie did it. So who is correct and why? Katie is correct because she substituted in for y. The other person, Kevin, is incorrect because look, he substituted in the 6x minus 1 for the x, right? He put it in where the x would be, which is incorrect.